Very proud na sinalubong ng Sparkle family si Gazini Ganados na hindi man nauwi ang korona sa Miss Grand International All-Stars ay sobrang nag-enjoy naman daw sa kanyang experience. What's next for Gazini? Ichichika yan ni Athena Imperial.
Sinorpresa ng Sparkle GMA Artist Center ang model beauty queen na si Gazini Ganados sa pagbalik niya sa GMA Network kanina mula sa pagsabak sa Miss Grand International All-Stars sa Bangkok, Thailand. Top 5 finalist si Gazini kaya proud na proud ang Sparkle fam niya sa pangunguna ni Sparkle GMA Artist Center First Vice President Joy Marcelo.
I feel honored and grateful that I have such a family that is so supportive, and their support never really faded, even if I was far away. I was in Thailand, so I really felt the love.
Kwento ni Gazini para siyang nag-Miss Universe all over again sa pagsali niya sa MGI All-Stars dahil veteran pageant contenders ang nakalaban niya.
This time we were 5 Filipina girls, so it was so fun for me kasi I could speak Tagalog, Bisaya all at the same time, and we were like a team.
Kasama raw niya sa Thailand ang kanyang mommy. At para maramdamang kasama niya ang tatay sa kanyang laban, isinuot niya ang gold bracelet na ibinigay nito.
It was very sentimental for me. Rian's gown was kind of a duplicate of my evening gown during Miss Universe. Pero it was an elevated because of the hand jewelry that was given to me by my dad. So, and then there were a little bit of blue gemstones so it could match the crown.
Kung bibigyan siya ng kaunti pang extension to answer the final question, idadagdag niya,
call out those people who are degrading you or who are limiting your worth, and now that we know our capabilities, we should spread love, kindness, because love is the grandest power that we could have and we could give to someone else.
Naghahanda na si Gazini para sa shoot ng isang pelikula kasama ang kapwa niya beauty queens at Sparkle artists.
I'm already reading the scripts for it, so hopefully we get to meet everyone on the set already.
Athena Imperial updated sa Showbiz Happening!
And that's my chika this Tuesday night. Sa ngalan ni Iya Arellano, ako po si Ashley Rivera. Sir Emil, Sir Ivan, Miss Cara.
Thank you, Ashley.